Hi guys, this is Merly and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to show you this huge hydrangea plant in my yard. The plant has started forming flowers, and as you can see on this side, there are some that have started turning blue. Most of them are light green or yellow green, and that's how they start. So they start like this. So get this small one, and then the flower opens and changes its color, and then it changes into blue with some yellow in the middle. Now this is a bigger one. There's a lot in here. This plant has been in here for probably about 7 years, and it's so beautiful. You just have to maintain it by trimming it in the fall, and then come spring you will see beautiful flowers form in this plant. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And this will turn purple when it matures. Now it will take a while, so I will enjoy these flowers for quite a bit. Look at that. And there's one here that is a little bit bigger and more blue, and then there is another one right here near the ground. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I will see you again in my next video. Have a good day.